Hello everyone. Today I would like to demonstrate how to use different version of Java on different operating system to compile JavaFX in Intellij environment. First things first, you need to download JavaFX. So what you can do is, hold on. Oh, it's true. Okay. So now you click JavaFX inside of Google. You will see JavaFX website. You drag down a little bit. You'll see the download links. You need to download the corresponding version for your operating system. I recommend long-term version ones. So it based on your Mac, Linux, or Windows, you download the corresponding ones. After you downloaded it, let's say we finish downloading and I create JavaFX folder. Then I put my zip file here, unzip it. I will see the library or lib folder. You need to remember the path. In Linux and the Mac, it's pretty straightforward. PWD will show you the current location. You copy, paste it, or paste to whatever text editor you want. On Windows, you just need to remember the path. That's the first thing, which we have JavaFX now. But we need to let Intellij knows what's going on, particularly if you're not using Java version 8. For some reasons, Mac particularly, when I used Java version 8, it didn't work, but for some Mac, it worked. Just in case you belong to the others which doesn't work, this is how you solve the problem. For Linux, it's the same story. For Windows, unless you're not using Java version 8. If you're using it, you won't have this problem. So let's say we want to create a new project. Let's say I want to create a new project. You select JavaFX. So if you don't have Java version 8, which is 1.8, let's say you have 11 or 15, it doesn't matter in this case. You create a folder, project folder more precisely. Let's say I'm just going to create the quick ones now. FM project. Let's say test fx2. So inside of my test fx2, I selected it. I click OK. I finish it, and then it'll ask me this window. No problem. So let's say this is our project which we created inside of IntelliJ, but we're not using Java version 8. If you try to compile it, all right? If you try to compile it, it will create a problem for you. Let's run it. This might take a couple of seconds. You will see the error message here because we're not using Java version 8, so it doesn't have JavaFX library. On 8, it has it. So again, if you're using Java version 8 and you don't have any problem, good. If you have problem, this is how you fix it. So it says runtime components are missing. The first thing is you need to highlight this test fx2 or the project you created. You need to come to project structure. Under project structure, you don't need to change anything. You need to come to libraries. You click plus button here, Java. Then you need to point it to your JavaFX lib folder. All right. If you click OK, it will ask you, are you selecting for this modulus? Yes. As soon as you see classes, sources, navigate, a native library, you click apply. 50% of the problem fixed now. But still, it doesn't compile because we need to give the parameters or corresponding parameters to compile and run the JavaFX file. So the next step would be click run. On the run, you see edit configurations, all right? If main is selected, good. If it's not selected, you click main. Under modify options, you see add VM options. You need to copy the following commands, which I will provide it under my video. What it does is it links the library plus the module I'm going to use for compiling this JavaFX file project. So we click apply, we click OK. Now, if you run the program, it should compile and run without any problem. This is how it works in different operating systems, different version of Java. Again, if you're using Windows 10, if you're installing Java version 8, I don't think this would be a problem, but under Mac and Linux, this might be a problem. And this is how you overpass it and fix the problem. So under my video below, I will show the links to download and how this command which I provided or arguments, you need to paste it to your Intellij environment system. Okay, thank you and see you next video.